Adding QR codes to Excel spreadsheets is a great way to add links to websites or contact information. Let's see how you can do this. First, we need to install a free add-in inside Excel. Click on the Insert tab and then select Get Add-ins from the Add-in section of the ribbon. Using the search box, type in QR for Office and then press Enter. Now click on Add and it will be added to Excel. Now a panel will be displayed and you can select the type of link using the drop-down menu. In this case, I want a link to a website, so I will select the HTTPS option. I can now type or paste in the website's URL address. You will notice now that the QR code displayed has been updated, so if the code is scanned, it will take you directly to the website. You can customize the appearance of the QR code by selecting a color and its background. You can use the slider to adjust the overall size of the QR code, and the size will be displayed in pixels above. Lastly, you can set the error correction for the QR code. This will reduce the chances of errors occurring if the QR code is damaged or it becomes dirty, and so it overall improves the ability of the QR code to be scanned. To add the QR code to the Excel spreadsheet, click on Insert. You can now click and drag the QR code to the desired location on the spreadsheet. You can even resize it. You can save the QR code as an image file, so you can insert it into other places such as a document or website. To do this, right-click on the QR code and select Save as Picture. Here, you can name the QR code and place it into a specific folder. You can find the QR for Office add-in the Add-in section under Insert. Now click on the Watch Next video to learn how to save time by customizing the Excel toolbar with your frequently used tools.